Conversation right there for our weekly legal line. Our legal analyst, Jeff Hosford, is here from Hosford Law Firm. Jeff, thanks so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
As mentioned there in the piece, there are many states that have laws on the books pertaining to texting and driving. I understand there is something on the books in Mississippi, but the penalty not really that stiff, huh?
Yes, ma'am. There's a civil penalty in the state of Mississippi. It's $100 per occurrence, and it has to be filed in justice court in the county in which the crime is committed, which would be texting or using Facebook or social media while driving, which means they'd have to file an affidavit in the justice court of that county, which is no different than a ticket. A ticket is an affidavit, but unlike a ticket, it's not a criminal charge.
Well, you maintain that we may already have laws on the books that may not necessarily be designated texting laws that under which these sort of things could fall, right?
Yes, ma'am. Obviously, number one thing is you want driver safety. You want people not to be paying attention and not harm each other. But the law simply already has rules that allow you to stop people from texting and driving. You have reckless driving and careless driving. If a person is swerving or not paying attention to the road, both of these criminal violations can be used to enforce the law and stop the person from texting and driving. Obviously, there's a lot of push to have texting and driving laws and have more information out there. But the simple fact is, if you're distracted while driving, there are laws that allow the police to prosecute you for that distraction, whether it be food, whether it be your cell phone, whether it be the kid in the back of the car. Any one of those things could cause you to have an accident, and that's why you need to pay attention while driving. Put your phones down, pay attention to what's going on, and make sure you arrive there safe, because the last text message you send could be the last one you send forever.
All right. Always appreciate your perspective and some very good advice for us this evening. We'll see you next week. As always, if you have a question you'd like Jeff to answer, you can send it to us at legalline@wcbi.com.